Hello, baseball fans, and welcome. The show has AAA baseball for you. It's the Charlotte Knights taking on the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders. Just a little bit away from first pitch. Our starter in this one, Clayton Beeter.
Yeah, he battled through 7 innings last time out. He pitched well enough to get the win thanks to that offense. He'll look to turn in another quality start in this one.
Line drive, and that should be extra bases. Around first, heading for 2. And he'll pull in there with a stand-up double.
Man, those are the types of hits where you don't feel any vibration in your hands whatsoever. Such a good feeling. Loud contact leads to the double. I mean, you could tell it had extra bases written all over it as it jumped off of his stick.
Mike Ford at the plate.
The first baseman, Mike Ford.
Hey, your pitch. He's coming to you.
Man at second. And he walked him.
Well, just came apart right there. 4-pitch walk, and guy at the plate was not going to help him out by swinging at something out of the zone.
First and second, 2 down. And now the catcher comes up to hit, Austin Wells. In the air, right field. Number 22 has this one sized up. Makes the catch. And that is the third out of the inning. An inning in the... And welcome back. Bottom 4. So here's Brown at the plate.
The designated hitter, Catfish.
Schultz back to work. There's a strike. Here's the 0-2. And a swing and a miss. And one away.
Thought it was a pretty good pitch. Top of the strike zone. We're seeing more fastballs in that location. Hitters especially.
2 outs, bases loaded. Next is the DH. A switch hitter, Catfish Brown. 1 for 2. And first offering is fouled off.
Hey, let her fly up there, huh?
2 outs. In for a strike. And it's 0-2.
Oh, this guy's so comfortable hitting with 2 strikes. Even a good pitch early in the at-bat. If he's not ready to pull the trigger, he's not worried if he gets to an 0-2 count.
And the righty deals. Cuts and misses. It's a strikeout. So 2 down. Catfish Brown will hit next. 1 for 3. There's a strike.
No ball, 1 strike.
One time, right now, kid. Here we go.
And the right-hander deals. And now 1 and 2. That misses the zone. It's 2 and 2.
Hey, have a rip, like you can.
Swing and a miss, and he is down on strikes for the 3rd straight at bat. One nothing the final for Chris Singleton and our entire crew here at MLB The Show. Thanks for stopping. And welcome into the ballpark. Happy to have you with us. AAA action coming at you on the show. It's the Charlotte Knights taking on the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders. First pitch coming your way next. Just about set to go now. Getting the nod in this one, Hunter Gaddis. Lots of punch outs, a real strikeout artist, Singy.
Well, he got into the 8th inning his last time out, really pitching deep into games as of late. We'll see today how many innings he's got in him.
Catfish Brown stands in now and watches strike one. Cedeno, the base runner at first with one out.
Let's go right here.
Swing and a miss. And it's 0-2.
Another 0-2 count right here. Pitcher just in the driver's seat. He can go anywhere he wants to go right here.
In the dirt, but kept close. And an excellent job keeping it right there.
Here we go.
The 1-2. Fouls it back with 2 strikes.
Come on now, rip.
The 1-2. Fouls that off to the left and will do it again. And now the lefty. Foul ball, still a 1-2 count.
Hey, nice and patient. Get your pitch.
Swing and a miss. Couldn't catch up to the heater.
Definitely made him chase a little bit out of the zone right there. I don't think that's a strike if he takes it. Pretty textbook pitching. Get ahead in the count, get the guy in the box on his heels, and then force him to chase your pitch.
So first and second with 2 outs. So here's Brown at the plate.
And Boog, I'd say he's due.
So RBI spot, but Chris, this is a guy that is not really swinging the bat all that well here.
In this situation, you have a real good opportunity to get swings and misses and record a strikeout. I think you attack him in this spot.
First and second, 2 down. Next offering is in for a strike.
All right, come on now. One time. Let's fly.
Looked like it was a little bit up.
Could be some action here on this next pitch. Couple runners on. Probably a challenge pitch coming.
Hey, like you can up there, huh?
And he deals. Swing and a miss, and now 2-2.
Spin rate's outstanding on that high fastball. Really tough to hit.
Let it fly. Let's go right here.
The next pitch misses, and that's ball 3. Bobby Dahlbeck up next. 2 outs, couple of base runners at first and second. Got him swinging.
Sometimes he wears the emotion on the sleeve, but that's okay as long as he's getting results. And right there, thrilled with the punch out to get out of a jam.
And now the first baseman, Harvey Owens. 0 for 1. He struck out swinging last time. Bounce to the right side. Over to Dahlbeck, and they got him.
Well, there's a lot riding on that at bat right there. Nice job of the pitcher to bear down, make the pitch, get the ground ball. Excellent piece of work.
So digging in, number 22, 1 for 2. Ellis over at second. Edwards on at first with 2 down. Bounced up the middle. Lays out, but he can't squeeze it to first, and he beats it. Everyone's safe.
Well, that may end up being an at-bat we go back to later on when this game is over. Now the base is loaded. Big opportunity for them to break this game open.
One down. And now Catfish Brown, who's 0 for 2 with a pair of strikeouts. Brown, just 19 years old, and he was a 3rd-round pick in 2023. To the right side. Throw pulls him off the bag, and he's safe. Man at first with one gone. Here's Bobby Dahlbeck.
Bobby Dahlbeck.
Hey, you can do it. No one better. Let's go.
Bounce to the left side. Good feed. That's one. What a double play that was. Inning over.
Well, we can never overstate it. Pitcher's best friend right there. Double play, gets out of the jam, saves some pitches.
And now it's the switch hitting second baseman, Catfish Brown.
Number 13, second baseman, Catfish
Drive that pitch, huh?
Brown.
Hey, you can do it, kid. No one better up there. Let's go.
Swings through that one. 0-1.
Your pitch. Drive it deep, huh? Here you go.
And a big swing and a miss.
A little anxious, a little aggressive early in the count. Too much for me.
The lefty closing in on 100 pitches. The wind of the pitch. Back to the mound. Edwards. And they're down to their last out.
Well, he's doing a nice job of keeping the ball out of the air. Lets the defense work behind him with another ground ball. Good execution. Terrific job in this game. He scattered 2 hits and pretty dominant. Efficient with his pitch count. Got himself all the way to the finish line and finished what he started.
The final 1-0 for Chris Singleton and our entire outstanding crew here at MLB The Show. I'm John Shambi saying so long. Hello, baseball fans, and welcome. AAA Baseball on MLB The Show. It's the Charlotte Knights taking on the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders. All right, we'll be back to get this one started after this.
Gentlemen, your Scranton Wilkes-Barre.
So, almost ready to get underway. Showing the slab in today's game, Braylon Marquez.
A really good outing for him last time. Scattered 2 runs, was attacking hitters, getting ahead in the count. Great performance. We'll see if he can do it again in this one.
Catfish.
Hey, wait for a good one. Drive it. I'll pick one out.
And first offering is fouled off. And there's a ball. So now 1-2.
1 ball, 2
Let's go.
strikes.
Now you got this. Hey, see you driving here.
Swing and a pop-up. Foul territory for the catcher. Makes the grab, and that'll end the inning. Through an inning, no score here on the show. So here's Brown at the plate. 0 for 1 so far.
Catfish. Brown.
Get your pitch.
That one ripped, but foul. It really feels like we might be running out of time before a rain delay is called. This rain is not letting up.
Yeah, and if we do get a delay, the unfortunate thing is the clock's going to start ticking on these pitchers, and they won't be able to keep their arms warm forever if it's a long break, and going to have to exit this game a little early.
Next pitch is outside. The Rail Riders yet to pick up a hit here. Bounce to the right. Gonzalez gets it to first. That's out number 3. So 12 up, 12 down to begin the ball game. On to the top of the 5th we go. The Knights out front, 1-0. 2 outs, base is empty. Here's the catcher, Ronaldo Hernandez. And a pitch. On the ground, right side. Slings to first, and that is that. Nothing doing for the offense that time. Midway in inning number 7, and it's time to stretch. The Knights. So up next, Catfish Brown.
Number 13, second baseman, Catfish.
Hey, let her rip one time.
And first offering is fouled off. Righty delivers. And that one fouled off. 0-2 now. Here's a high fly ball out to center. Gonzalez sizes this one up, snags it on the run, and there's one down.
Yeah, that's a tough play for the infielder, ranging back into the outfield. There's part of him that's saying, hey, where you at, outfielder? Call me off. But he stayed focused and made a nice catch.
So bases loaded with one away. And now the shortstop, number 7.
The last thing he wants is to hit the ball on the ground, but I wouldn't expect many pitches up in the zone. They'll be pitching for a double play in this spot.
And here it comes. Ground ball right side, could be 2. Quickly to second for 1. What a double play that was. Inning over.
Just trying to sneak one through with the bases loaded, but an excellent job by the defense to turn that one and get out of this jam. This is just a nice win. 3-0 ball game. You feel comfortable about the 3 runs that you scored, but you also know that if you're not careful, a bloop, a base hit, and a home run ties everything up. But it was great pitching. Timely hitting really made the difference.
A shutout in this one. 3-0 our final score. For Chris Singleton and our entire outstanding crew here at MLB The Show, I'm John Shambi saying so long. Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining us. AAA action coming at you on the show. It's the Charlotte Knights taking on the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders. First pitch coming at you right after the break. Coming up on the first pitch, and on the hill, Spencer Turnbull. What do you have on him, Siggy?
Well, he got into the 8th inning his last time out, really pitching deep into games as of late. We'll see today how many innings he's got in him.
And foul ball. The wind of the pitch. In the dirt. Fires over to first. And that is the inning. End of 1. And we're still scoreless. Welcome back. Ready to go for the last half of the inning. So here's Brown at the plate.
Catfish.
Hey, see it. Drive it. Let's go, big dog.
Eater back to work. They say you win.
0-1.
Hard grounder into the outfield for a knock.
I'm sure he feels really good about that one. Once you get the ball by the pitcher, there's a lot of base hits up the middle, even on ground balls. So a nice job to use that big hole and get himself a hit.
Here's Bobby Dahlbeck. 0 for 1 with a flyout.
First baseman,
And that one popped to short. Brings it in, and there's one down.
And he looked a little tentative on that swing, almost like he didn't get pitch recognition and tried to slow his bat down just to make contact. I'd rather see a guy swing through it instead of making weak contact and putting it in play, have another pitch where maybe he can drive out of the ballpark.
And now the lefty, swing and a miss, struck him out. Couldn't catch up to the heater.
Well, he didn't get the call on the mound the pitch before. Felt like he should have had him looking, I think. But, you know, that's good composure right there. He found a way to come back with another good pitch to get him to swing and miss.
So 2 down, and now Juan Cedeno. He's 0 for 1. On the ground to third. Slings it across. And that is the inning. 1 hit, 1 left. We played 4. We're tied 0-0. And here is Catfish Brown. 1 for 2.
Come on, big guy. See it up. Drive it right back up the box. Let's go.
Drive that pitch, huh?
0-1.
As a pitcher, you know the runner on second is ready to push things with his speed. A base hit's probably going to be a big run, so you really have to execute on the mound.
That misses. Ball 1.
1 ball, 1 strike.
Check on the runner, and he's back in there. Lockridge leads off second with 1 gone in the inning. Hammered. Could be extra bases. Around third. He scores to tie it up. It's 1-1.
His confidence level is so high. Really nice job of coming through in a big spot. Showed a willingness to drive that pitch the opposite way. Didn't get jumpy. Didn't try to pull the ball. He let it get deep. Took the barrel right to it and then extended through the swing for the line drive base hit.
1 out. Runner at second. Bobby Dahlbeck will hit next. The 2-1. Oh, can't pick it up cleanly. But plenty of time to recover, and that's the second out.
Now batting. The catcher, Austin Wells.
And now it's going to be Austin Wells.
You know, this is kind of a tough matchup as a left-handed hitter facing a left-handed pitcher. What you tell yourself is, I want to stay square to the plate, try to hit the ball over the shortstop's head.
Got him! Good job at damage control right there.
Well, this guy competes hard. We see the emotion there. I love it. Great job at getting out of the jam.
And now the DH, Catfish Brown.
Picked up an RBI in his last at bat. Still their only run of the game so far. Got to keep things airtight defensively right here. On your toes, ready to make a play. If you can get this to the 9th with a 3-run lead, it should be a W.
And he deals. Pitch misses. It's a ball and 2 strikes.
0-2 pitch that far out of the zone gives the hitter a little confidence that maybe he can climb back into this at bat.
1 down, base is empty. Struck him out swinging. Chased the fastball up the ladder for strike 3.
Thought it was a pretty good pitch. Top of the strike zone, receipt. Well, a 4-pitch save. He was just starting to get comfortable out there after throwing a lot of pitches in the bullpen in this one. But a nice job of attacking the hitters, being very efficient. And this is what you want.
We welcome you inside Oak Street Park. The show has AAA baseball for you. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders and the St. Paul Saints.
Now, ladies and gentlemen.
First pitch coming your way next. Almost ready to get underway. Today's starting pitcher, Simeon Woods Richardson.
He finally picked up his first win of the season. Took him a few starts to get there, but now that you got that behind you, you can focus on moving things ahead. Looking for number 2 in this one.
Here's a speed threat, Yasser Mercedes. Here comes a pitch. That one missed. That's off the mark. 2 balls, no strikes. And a foul ball.
Well, he missed a hittable off-speed pitch right there. Not sure exactly with the timing. Sometimes you get a backup breaking ball. You're expecting it to make its move at the end. It never does, and you're tied up.
I got it.
Cabrera hauls it in, and there's 1 away. Now the number 2 hitter, Matt Schrock. Fouled off to the right.
1 out. 1 out.
0-1. Now 1-1. Going to count 1-2. Cuts and misses. It's a strikeout.
Batting third.
Here's the third baseman, Jose Miranda. There's a strike.
Now.
And that's a little bit high.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Swing and a miss. And it's 1-2. And a swing and a miss. And that's that. No runs, no hits, no errors. We go on to inning number 2. The Rail Riders lead it 1-0. Bottom of the inning. Now it's the right fielder, Matt Wallner.
The right fielder, Matt Wallner.
Brown back to work. And first offering is fouled off. Righty to the plate. Fought off foul. Left-hand hitter waits. Swing, and that ball smashed on a line. Cabrera puts it away for the out. And there's 1 away.
Man, that's one of those at-bats where you have to remind yourself it's about the process. He did everything right there. Nothing to show for it. But in your mind, you have to convince yourself that it was a very good at-bat.
Number 68, batting with 1 down, takes a strike.
Hey, come on now.
Love how vocal the umpire is today. No doubt in the hitter's mind, catcher's mind, and even the pitcher's mind as to the conviction in the call.
And a pitch. Good eye right there. Swing and a ground ball up the middle. That's a base hit.
Look, I don't think that pitch would have been called a strike, but he did such a nice job of pulling his hands tight to the body and just getting enough of the barrel on it to be hard enough back up the middle for a knock.
Brooks Lee in the box now. No balls and a strike. Next offering is down low. The pitch. Popped up to the left into foul ground. Wells hauls it in, and there's 2 away.
Well, that was a pitch you got to crush. Unbelievable that he missed it right there. And I'm telling you, he is going to be frustrated with himself until his next at bat.
And first offering is fouled off.
Hey, plays at 1 now.
Right-hander kick steals. And that one wrapped foul. The pitch. Just off the inside corner. Now 1-2. Swing and a pop-up.
Ball, that's mine.
And the inning is over. So no runs here on a base hit, no errors, and 1 left. We played 2 full. The Rail Riders on. And welcome back. Set for the bottom of the 3rd. Now here is Adrian Del Castillo. Brown back to work. Just missed. Del Castillo will handle the catching duties in this one in the 8th spot in today's lineup. And he was a 2nd-round pick in 2021.
Well, we call that keyholing. Even though it's right there and looks pretty good, if he doesn't love it, he's not going to swing that early in the count.
And 1-2. Ground ball to the right side. And he takes it himself for the out.
Batting 9th, the first baseman.
Next is the speedy first baseman, number 15.
Plays at 1 now.
Pitch misses inside, and that's ball 1.
1 down.
Swing and a miss as he was out front. The 1-1. And now 1-2.
I think he was sitting off speed there.
Struck him out looking.
The batter, number 1.
Back to the top of the lineup. And now here is Yasser Mercedes. Flied out his first time. Mercedes, just 19 years old. And he's usually in the outfield. Today, he's the DH. The wind and the pitch. Bounce to 3rd. Sends it to 4th. That ends the inning. 3 up, 3 down for him there. On to inning number 4. The Rail Riders have the lead, 1-0. Bottom of the 4th, leading off Max Schrock.
The second baseman, Matt.
The wind to kick the pitch. Line drive, base hit.
Now batting.
So a man aboard. Now the 3rd baseman, Jose Miranda. That one's in there, 0-1.
Turn two.
Swing and a bouncer. Hardman over to 2nd, on to 4. Double play.
That was a tough double play to turn right there. So nicely done by the defense. And with it hit so softly, I wasn't sure they'd have time to get both outs. And sometimes rushing a play like that can lead to big problems. But they executed every step perfectly.
And now Matt Wallner. That one's in there. That's strike 1.
Hey, we got 2 down now. 2 down.
Fouled off. He was late.
Hey, need a strikeout right here.
The 0-2. Stays alive. The 0-2. On the ground. Fair ball. And that knock bumps his hitting streak into double digits, Chris. He's hitting 10 straight.
Yeah, and on a nice trajectory, average going up, OBP, everything he's doing at the plate right now just seems to be working.
Here you go, guys.
Next pitch way upstairs. The 1-1 is fouled off. And a pitch. Just a slow ground ball this time. Sends it to Ford. And that is that. Nothing across on 2 hits. No errors and 1 left. On to the top of the 5th we go. We head to the bottom of the 5th. Stepping in is the switch hitting shortstop, Brooks Lee. The pitch. Hit hard. Should be extra bases. And that's going to roll to the wall. Now he'll turn for second. And he's there with a leadoff double.
Waste no time there. Great hands on that swing. Took the barrel right to the baseball. Caught it out front and ripped it into the gap. At that point, there's probably no question in his mind that he was going for 2. That's just a great feeling.
Larnach at the plate now. That's ball 1. He popped out his first time. Hard ground ball, base knock. Lee coming home. The throw in. Runner from second crosses the plate. And it's now a 2-run game.
Well, that gets him a little closer in this one. Couldn't get any air under it, but he smoked that ball back up the middle. Timing was just perfect. Got great wood on it, and there's just no chance for the infielders with how hard he hit it.
Now, Adrian Del Castillo.
Ball 1, no strike.
Roll it up right here. 2 ball.
The 1-0. Good eye right there. There's the strike. This one lifted in the air, left field. And there's one down.
Now batting.
Number 15, the next to hit. Caught looking his first time up. Ball 1, no strikes.
Hey, let's turn this.
Just missed.
Well, he looks more focused at the plate and working the count after that first at-bat strikeout.
That one's in there, and it's 2-1. Larnach at first, 1 gone. Next pitch misses way outside.
He hasn't fallen behind in the count like this all day. He's in danger of walking his first batter right here.
Slice the other way. That's a base hit. They fired in quickly, so it's first and second with only 1 away.
Well, they call that an advantage count for a reason. You're so much more likely to get something you can handle. That pretty much split the zone down the middle, and those are the ones where you got to make them pay.
Mercedes in the box now. Takes strike 1.
1 out. 1 out.
Next offering is fouled back. Runners at first and second with 1 gone. Got him looking. That's a strikeout.
Just locked him up right there for the second out, and that's an at-bat he's probably going to be thinking about for a little while. Didn't pull the trigger. Not how you want to go down in an RBI spot, so now you got to hope your teammate behind you can pick you up.
So first and second with 2 outs. Max Schrock getting ready to hit. Left field.
I got it.
Cabrera brings it in, and the inning is over.
Hey, here we go.
Back here at the ballpark, bottom of the 6th, digging in, Jose Miranda.
Jose Miranda.
The wind of the pitch. Miranda measures 6 feet 2 inches, 25 years old, and he was born in Puerto Rico. Next offering misses. Ball 2. That one out to right. Jones makes the grab on the run. Matt Wallner now at the plate.
Now batting, right fielder.
Well, on the mound, very efficient, able to produce an outcome, it seems like, within the third or fourth pitch of just about every at bat.
In there for strike one. Now a high fly ball out to left center. Cabrera under it. Makes the grab. 2 down.
The batter, number 68.
And now the center fielder, number 68. There's the strike.
0-1's the count.
Pitch misses, and it's a ball and a strike. That one ran inside, almost got him. Fouls one off. 2-2.
2 outs here, 2 outs here.
And another ball.
Hey, get him with that stuff right here.
Hard hit, left field, base hit. Brooks Lee will hit next.
Hey, get ahead, stay ahead. What do you say now?
First offering, and it just misses.
Counts 1-0.
Curveball drops in there.
Boog, that hook's looking pretty sharp today. Just a solid pitching performance so far, and I really think it's because of that curveball.
To the right side, they take the force out, and that'll do it. No runs, 1 hit, no errors, and a man left. We're through 6 full. The Rail Riders with the lead 3-1. Anthony Misevich gets the call from the pen. He's pitching on 2 days rest.
Number 58, Anthony Misevich.
Sometimes it takes just getting away from home. Guys can sort of come together, connect a little bit more than they do when they're at home with their families, and that can breed to success.